visit my world. Come here and visit my world. It has trees, shining stars. Our love is the only way. Don't get lost cause I'm waiting. Summer feelings are waiting, boy. You and me is more than 100 miles. You and me is more than the gray sky. You and me.
Hello everyone, today I will review the Zhiyun Smooth 4 Handheld Gimbal Stabilizer. In this video I will talk about the advantages of this gimbal stabilizer. 1. Zooming the camera by rotating the side wheel. 2. Phone Go mode that help you shoot instant scenes. 3. Improved power system that supports large size phone, loads more photography parts like fill light, external lens. 4. 3 modes of time-lapse photography, static, movement and track. 5. Lightweight and hard polymer composites material. 6. A bidirectional power supply design that the gimbal can charge the mobile phone and work with the phone simultaneously. 7. The official app for Smooth 4 is called Zplay. But Filmic Pro has best-in-class support for Smooth 4, you can use Filmic Pro as an alternative to Zplay. 8. Control panel, integrated control panel design, focus pull and zoom capability. 9. Must know, balance the gimbal before use, slide the smartphone in as close as possible to against the tilt axis motor. Loosen the roll, Y-axis thumb screw, which is on the back, to adjust the gravity center by sliding the horizontal arm. When phone stays in level in power off status, it is balanced. 10. Time-lapse and object tracking, time-lapse expert and object tracking available, supports two-way charging with longer runtime. Let me know in the comments down below what kind of video you would like to see next. Enjoy watching. Bye.